Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and enabling roaming on your phone. Check your account for a roaming add-on, pick pay-per-use or a pack that fits your trip, buy it now. Make sure your device is unlocked, your Globe SIM is active, and you have enough balance or a valid payment method. Then go to Settings, open Mobile Network, and enable data roaming. Once done, select Network manually if automatic fails. This gets you connected at the first possible tower. Once you have roaming enabled, focus on the network and data setup. You should manually select the recommended local partner if automatic connection is weak, because the best partner avoids high latency. Next, verify or enter the APN. Use Globe's APN or the partner settings, so mobile data and MMS work reliably. Make sure to set data limits or warnings and check roaming rates often. Otherwise, background apps can quickly burn your allocation and create unexpected charges. To finish, restart your phone and confirm you see a roaming indicator and the partner network name. Test data and a quick call or SMS to ensure two-way service. If you don't get service, toggle airplane mode, reinsert the SIM, or try a different location. Sometimes local towers differ. If problems persist, contact Globe support. Provide your MA, the roaming add-on purchased, timestamps, and screenshots. That information speeds resolution and helps avoid unnecessary charges. Do it before leaving the country.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.